Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma, along with the Deputy Chief Minister and other cabinet ministers, visited Mukroh, where 6 people were killed in firing by Assam police yesterday. During the visit, the Chief Minister met the family of the victims and assured full cooperation from the government's side. He said that action is being taken following the incident and resolving boundary dispute is the topmost priority of the government.
We are here also to ensure that action is taken. We are also here to assure you that all the steps that are required to ensure that in future these kind of things and this oppression and this kind of difficulties you're facing should not be there. And also to assure you that the border issue is one of our top priorities, and we will do everything in our capacity to ensure that we are able to resolve the border issue at the earliest. I want to assure you that.